Hey, bros.
Huh?
I beg, eh. I want me carry me. No stay rain they fall like this.
Make I carry you.
Yes.
For inside this kind of rain.
I beg carry me. I go sleep for your house. My place is far from here. And I no go like make this game beat me. I beg, come carry me.
You go sleep for my house.
Yes. I beg, bros, carry me. Now make I won't follow you. My place is fine. No left fine girl. I made this kind of rain beat me now.
So if I accommodate you now, what is your offer?
Sweet in the middle.
Sweet in the middle.
Yes.
Like that.
Yes.
You know what you have to follow.
But bros, first you get food. You get food.
I know you get food, but I get noodles. I get Indomie and egg.
Indomie and egg.
Yeah.
Okay, I go manage them.
Indomie and egg.
I go manage them.
Go for
Yeah, now more do go.
Okay guys, this is Mr. Money. Wait, I have a very amazing video for you guys this week. Just subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification. But before we go here, let me show you something you have never seen in your life before. Go with me. Okay, you have seen it, Abby. Comment what you see. No do ojoro. No do ojoro.
Hi, Mr. Money. I saw your picture on Instagram and I think I'm in love with you. Can you come with me for a night? You're pretty. You're beautiful. I love what I'm saying, like your eyes. I love it. I want to give you bomber to bomber for the night.
Be now, money, be strong boy.
Everybody's DJ Red.
Chai. Who? Hello, fine wine. How are
Sorry,
you?
I don't give me a handshake.
Sorry. Yeah, see, I want to marry you.
1 million naira.
Calm down now. You know 1 million for what?
Yes, now so now they do. I want marry. Tomorrow now you carry the person to our house. Or she'll free the next thing.
Calm down. I'm a professional in this thing. Like, I'm not a professional in prostitution or.
You can explain tire.
I've been on the street for a while. Let me give you 200,000.
200,000 naira. Have my account. Okay, that's the account.
200,000. See, check the name.
Yes, that's the name.
I sent it.
Let me confirm you.
Wait, where is your phone? It's not even half. How do you want to know if the money have entered now?
Yes, it's successful. That's my number. It's correct.
Okay.
So where are you taking me to? Where are we going to?
Me that I transfer money to you. I do not know where we are going to do it. My house is close by there. Let's go and do it there now.
Okay, let's go.
You get it?
Wait for me now.
What be this? What be this?
Are you kidding me?
God,
I just paid you 200,000. No.
Hey!
Why are you walking? Calm down now. Why are you running? Calm down.
I don't understand.
Why are you running?
This is clean.
What is this?
Why are you running? Why are you running? Jesus!
Why are you so wicked? You should have waited for me.
Not too much.
What should I do now? Mona, advise me.
But leave the money for me now.
Me can leave money for you.
For this 2024, you know what to the skid they talk. I mean, you don't buy your water recently. Say make me not even a man. Not
Try it with me.
Fine boy, leave this money for me now.
I'm sorry. No vex. I beg. Are you see? Ma'am, I'm sorry. No vex. No. See, because he gets structure like this, get yarn. Take one. No carry and they go. Yes. Wetin dey happen to me? Abi na because say I no dey use onion drink garri again? Na man na woman na she may. Abeg mo na advise me o. Now.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry. She's daddy. Punish your papa.
This one where you dey do now, your mama no say you dey do am.
What be this? You don't know why it's going on. Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated. You never see anything? Oh, sorry. Don't cry. I need to be wise. Hey! What be this?